Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Capcut Cloud Space. So if you regularly use this Capcut editor for your video editing, you can use a space or virtual storage. So if you have a limited storage on your phone, currently I'm using Android, you can use this virtual space by tap this space, but make sure you log in, you have an account of this app. You can register or sign in. After that, you can use this space. So you can tap the space icon, and I got 15 gigabyte because this is a free. But if you can upsize, your cloud space by purchase some. So this is like a plan. You have a 1 terabyte plan, 100 gigabyte, 10 gigabyte. So, or you can join Capcut Pro, you can make a subscription. So there is a price for it. You can get 100 gigabyte cloud space storage. So please be wise if you want if you want to join a pro, or you can just buy some space, you can do it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.